I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
To obtain the Swift Golem, you must prepare before attempting the summon. Reach player level 50 and unlock the Golem crafting bench in the capital. Gather 3 ancient cores, 1 Swift crystal, and 10,000 gold as required materials. Ancient cores drop from Stoneheart Guardians with an average 25% drop rate per kill. The Swift crystal is rewarded from the Windspire Dungeon final chest on normal difficulty. Plan to spend 2 to 4 hours farming if you play solo. Farm Stoneheart Guardians in the cavern to efficiently gather ancient cores. Each kill yields cores at an average drop rate of 25%. Use a farming route that clears 60 to 90 enemies per hour. Run the Windspire Dungeon on normal difficulty to secure 1 Swift crystal per completion. Speed runs of Windspire take 6 to 8 minutes with a coordinated group. Budget 2 to 4 hours solo, or aim for 50 quick runs to guarantee materials. Return to the Golem bench once you have all required materials ready. Place 3 ancient cores and 1 Swift crystal into the crafting interface and confirm the summon. The crafting consumes 10,000 gold at the moment of creation. After you craft, the Swift Golem upgrade it to rank 2 using 5 alloy plates and 20,000 gold. Rank upgrades reduce the summon cooldown to 120 seconds and increase movement speed by 30%. Equip the Swift Golem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.